The circle shown has center O, circumference 144 pi, and diameters PR and QS. The length of arc PS is twice the length of arc PQ. What is the length of arc QR? So we're given that the total circumference is 144 pi, that these two lines right here are diameters, and we're trying to find the length of arc QR, which is this arc right here, going from Q to R. So since we know that QS right here is a diameter, this means that the arc that it defines is equal to half the circumference. So this arc going from S to Q is 72 pi, which is half of 144 pi. And using that, we can create a system of equations to find the length of arc PQ. So we know that the length of arc SP, let's call that X, and the length of arc PQ, let's call that Y. Those lengths added together should equal 72 pi. And we also know that the length of arc PS is twice the length of arc PQ. So PS here is X. So X is equal to 2 times Y. Since Y is PQ and X is PS, PS here is twice the length of PQ. So then we can substitute 2y into this equation for x. So if we plug in 2y as x, and then the rest of the equation, we can solve for y. So y here, so 3y equals 72 pi. And so 72 divided by 3 is equal to 24 pi. So here the length of arc PQ is equal to 24 pi. Now, in order to find the length of arc QR, we know that PR here is also a diameter, which means that the total length of this arc that goes from P to R is also 72 pi. So if we say that the length of arc QR is equal to Z, then Y plus Z is equal to 72 pi. But we know that Y is equal to 24 pi. So if we plug that in, we get that 24 pi plus Z is equal to 72 pi. And so if we subtract 24 pi to the other side, we get that Z is equal to 48 pi. And Z in this case is the length of our QR. So Z is the length of our QR, so the answer is 48 pi.